Hello and welcome, Julie Cube, here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, having a go at another pour on a, this is a 60 by 30, and my push pin has come right the way through the canvas to the other side, so I might have to just change the push pin to use one with a small something. Okay, there you go, that's okay now. Just some of those push pins obviously have longer pins than others, so I've got the back of my canvas taped off to keep the bottom clean. Now we're ready to go. And I think I'm actually going to do this one in dark colours, so I'm going to use my it's my navy, which I make up myself out of phthalo blue and phthalo blue, a blob of very dark green, and what was the other? Oh, black. If you want it to go really dark, use black. So I'm going to just put a good layer of this because I want my other colours to float on it. So plenty of paint on there, isn't there? Rightio. So I want my other colours to float on that. Now I'm going to use some really nice, bright and colourful puddles on here. So here we go. This is an orange and it has a good amount of yellow in the orange. It always makes the orange super bright when you add yellow to it. So I'm going to do these puddles, and this is cool red. Just going to lay them on that bed of navy that I have there. Maybe I'll try a few different ones in between. And to add some of my purple here. I've done these puddles like this before, and I've done them in nice caramel colours, and it came out really stunning. But I have these kind of bright colours left over from 2 previous pours that I did. So I just push on with them until my colours are used up. And now I have this gorgeous turquoise. Wow. Certainly a bright, going to be a bright and beautiful. Hopefully, you never know. I'm going to use the last of this orange up. Ooh, just have fun with it. Remember, in acrylic pouring, the only rule is there is actually no rules. So just have fun with it. It's only paint, don't stress out too much. It is absolutely not worth it. I'm going to just, I was going to add some black, but I don't think I will, because I'm going to swipe some black over that, maybe a few of the areas. This is just some black, but I'm going to use my swipey tool. So I'm not sure whether to use this one, which is a colour art one, or this is just an icing cake swiper off angle, offset kind of. That's really probably easier to do my swipes through. So I might actually try that one. And I'm going to whiz over these colours first with the heat one. There's no silicone or no Floetrol in those actual colours today. I'm only going to use them in the colours that I'm going to swipe with. See how it goes. Anyhow, rightio. I have some Amsterdam Black mixed with Australian Floetrol. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do an Aussie swipe because it's Australian Floetrol. So Aussie swipe. I'm layering the back of my spatula with the paint, and I'm going to, rightio, ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness, those colours that have popped up in that's super duper. I'll bring you down in a second to have a look. Again, I'm going to layer the back of my spatula. Let's give this wow, wow, wow. I need to bring you down to see these absolute chameleon. Wow, look at these. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't know how they're going to stretch out, but I have to stretch them out, obviously, because I haven't got the paint all over the canvas. But I'm just going to stretch the whole lot out now. But super happy with that. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, now is the time to stretch it out, and I hope it doesn't just go into one big blob. But we'll give it a bit of heat and see how we go. I am probably going to lose that lovely cell effect that's small like that because they're going to stretch, but that's absolutely fine. So I'm just take it really, really slow. So I'm not going, I'm going to just take it slow, slow. Remember, there's no hurry to this. Just relax and enjoy the process. Actually, those cells stretching out are going to look super cool. Just take it slow. Quicker I kind of move, the cells stretch out even more, so I'll just take it slow. Enjoy it. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Super cool. Super cool. I've done this before, as you know, if you've watched my channel, if you're a sticky viewer, but I think I did it before with more caramel colours, and I know a long time ago I did something similar with all rainbow colours. I know Molly from Molly's Artistry. I mean, probably lots of people do this, but do this style. Like I said before, nothing's new, but I have seen Molly and actually another artist, an English artist, I can't remember, is it Paul Radcliffe, do the swipe and stretching out. I know lots of people do. I'll have lots, oh, so-and-so does that as well, and so-and-so does that. But I'm just talking about the ones I've seen personally, so. But that's looking super cool. I must admit, I've done 3 paintings in the last couple of days, and they're really, I'm really super happy with them all. They're drying nicely. So hopefully I've got a whole new, oh, I don't know, inspiration going. I don't know. I just had a bit of a lull where I thought, oh my goodness, what do you do next when you've tried it all? And I can remember a few videos ago I asked for help, anybody's ideas. Oh, I love this. I love how the cells are stretching out. I love them. That's gorgeous. It's just my normal pouring medium. Like I said, this lot, I didn't add any Floetrol in my normal colours. I only added it in their swipe colour. So I'm going to just recenter this, bring it back down. But look at that. That is super gorgeous. Oh, loving it, loving it. I don't want to lose that, some of the negative space through here. I think that's quite nice to have that negative space. I just want to make sure it's recentered the paint. Dibble dabble on my corners, dibble dabble, go underneath. So that's why the tape is very handy, that you've got the tape underneath to keep your bottom clean. Wow, that is super gorgeous, super gorgeous. Maybe I should just give it a little try. I know you're going to say, don't touch it. With this navy, it may be giving just a little tiny swipe with the white Amsterdam and Floetrol. Giving another little Aussie swipe through here to see what the white actually looks like in it. So I'm just squirting the white on my spatula for my next Aussie slide. Just try and take this really nice and slow. Ooh, that's popping up lovely. Wow, wow, wow. Let's trail it off. Wow, love it, and love it some more. I mean, I could do some in the black too, but oh no, I think I shouldn't. I'll give it a whiz over. Wow. And then I'm going to bring you down to have a look at this. Super different, super cool. Wow, I love it. It is super difficult for me to not keep going. I really have trouble with, now I feel like putting the comb through there, and my creative part in me says go for it, push the boundaries, but I really think I should just leave it at that. And somebody slap my hand. That is super gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down. Wow, look at this. I actually love these big wobbly cells that actually, look like a rock wall almost. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at the colours of that orange and purple. Actually look beautiful together. And these ones going off the edge. Wow, wow, wow. And then that was my white, which is kind of a different kind of look to the rest, but still it is very gorgeous. Loving it. Look at these. Wow, wow, wow. Super gorgeous, super fun. And that's what it's all about. So what do you guys think? Hope you like it. It's something different again. And thank you to the ladies that give me inspiration, other artists. So I'm in need of a bit of inspiration. Thank you so much. Until tomorrow. Bye for now.